Hey guys, so today we're going to look at a couple more sheds. This one here is called the Hampton. This one has vinyl siding. It's 10 by 20 feet and it's got a nice little, I guess you'd call it a little farmer's porch on it. The porch is Trex decking material. So look at the back, no windows in the back, no windows on the sides. Seven-foot wall height. Apparently it's a 4 by 20 foot porch. There's a nice looking little entranceway for you. 5-foot double doors with 9 light glass. 24-inch by 40-inch windows. And it's got a 24-inch Fairfield cupola weather vane on top, which is kind of cool. Let's take a look inside. Okay, got a couple of vents, one on either end. Pretty open in here, there's not much going on. I'm sure you could customize it, put some workbenches on the ends of the back wall there. Looks like you could even add a loft if you so desired. It's made out of all plywood flooring. Very sturdy. So there you go, guys. There's a 10 by 20 Hampton vinyl sided shed. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.